Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3750i. I'm going to show you how to print documents from your mobile phone to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network, and we connected this together via wireless network, and also we connected Canon PRINT app. So both are connected using Canon PRINT app. Canon PRINT app. Open Canon PRINT app. This is Canon PRINT app, and the printer is showing us ready. So from this app you can print documents, print photos, scan, smartphone copy, cloud copy, etc. So you want to print documents, select print. Then you decide if you want to print documents or photo or cloud service. So select documents, then you go to the file and select the document that you want to print out. So once you select it, you wait. This is 2 pages document. Then you select next, select all, then you select OK, then you select print, change settings. You select how many copies, 1, paper size A4, the same as original, media type plain paper, color mode. You want to print this color, 2-sided print, is simplex. Then you go back, then select print. And it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. So these are the documents we printed out, single page each. So this is how to print document from this printer and your mobile device. Thank you very much indeed.